Welcome, everyone, to a very special presentation as we explore the extraordinary life and legacy of William Big Bill Broonzy, one of the true pioneers and icons of blues music. Today, we will explore the story of a man whose talent and influence resonated far beyond the juke joints and house parties of the Deep South. Big Bill Broonzy was born in either 1893 or 1903, with his birthplace being either Scott, Mississippi, or Lake Dick, Arkansas. The specifics of his birth remain a bit uncertain, reflecting the often undocumented lives of many African Americans during that era. Broonzy grew up in a large family, one of 17 children, and his early years were shaped by the rich musical traditions of the South. From an early age, Broonzy was drawn to music. He crafted his first fiddle from a cigar box at the age of 10 and learned to play spirituals and folk songs from his uncle, Jerry Belcher. He soon formed a duo with his friend Lewis Carter, performing at social gatherings and local events. It was during this time that he also began to develop his skills as a guitarist, a talent that would become his signature in the years to come. In the 1920s, Broonzy made his way to Chicago, a city that was buzzing with musical energy and innovation. He quickly immersed himself in the vibrant blues scene, performing in clubs and bars, and collaborating with some of the era's most influential musicians, including Memphis Slim and Sonny Boy Williamson. It was in Chicago that Broonzy honed his craft, blending traditional country blues with the more urban sounds of the city and developing his unique, powerful vocal style. Throughout his career, Broonzy was an incredibly prolific songwriter, copywriting over 300 songs. His lyrics touched on a range of themes, from love and heartbreak to social issues and personal struggles. Songs like Trouble in Mind, Get Back, and When Will I Get to Be Called a Man showcased his ability to capture the universal emotions and experiences of his listeners. But Broonzy was more than just a talented musician. He was also a passionate advocate for social change and civil rights. He used his platform to address issues of racial inequality and injustice, speaking out against the discrimination and segregation prevalent in American society at the time. Broonzy's commitment to social justice extended beyond his music, as he actively participated in protests and used his fame to bring attention to the struggles of African Americans. In the 1950s, Broonzy took his music across the Atlantic, becoming one of the first blues artists to achieve widespread popularity in Europe. He toured extensively, introducing audiences to the captivating sounds of the blues and inspiring a new generation of musicians. His influence resonated with artists like John Lennon, Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton, and Jerry Garcia, who all cited Broonzy as an important influence. William Big Bill Broonzy passed away in 1958, but his legacy continues to thrive. His music remains a testament to the power of blues as a vehicle for expression, storytelling, and social change. Broonzy's influence can be heard in the works of countless musicians who followed in his footsteps, and his songs continue to be covered and celebrated to this day. Big Bill once said, "When you write about me, please don't say I'm a jazz musician. Don't say I'm a musician or a guitar player. Just write Big Bill was a well-known blues singer and player and has recorded 260 blues songs from 1925 up till 1952. He was liked by all the blues singers. He was a happy man." So, as we conclude our journey into the world of Big Bill Broonzy, let us remember him not just as a musical icon, but as a trailblazer who used his talent to break down barriers, unite people, and leave an indelible mark on the world of blues.